Stop scrolling just for a second. Can you feel that? That specific tactile magic of a handmade blanket? We live in a world of factory fast and mass produce, but you are here because you know the better. You know that a crochet blanket isn't just a grade of yarn, it's hour of interest and thousand tiny decision and kind of warmth a heater just can't replicate. Today I am taking you through a curated gallery of crochet design that are trending right now. Whether you are looking for the perfect statement piece for your nursery or a heirloom throw for your sofa, these designs are about to turn your house into a home. Stick around because the last design we are showing is a total game changer for modern interior. First up, let's talk about the modern minimalist. Gone are the days when crochet meant clutter. We are seeing a massive shift toward texture on texture. Think chunky waffle stitches in a single creamy oatmeal tone or a bubble stitches used to create geometric pattern without changing yarn colors. These pieces are the chamomiles of the home decor. They fit into a sleek candy loft just as easily as a rustic farmhouse. If you are shopping for a gift and aren't sure for the style, a high texture neutral is the safest and most sophisticated. But you can make. Now let's pivot. If your soul craves color, the Booher revival is calling your name. The classic granny square is having a major moment in 2026, but we have leveled up. We are seeing a sunburnt pattern and intricate floral joints that look like a meadow captured in the wool. These blankets are for the bold. They tell a story, imagine draped over a leather chair or used as a picnic spread for Pinterest worthy afternoon. When you buy a piece like this, you aren't just buying decor, you are buying a personality. Let's get a little softer. There is no gift more cherished at a baby shower than a handmade blanket. For our nursery collection, we focus on two things: touch and longevity.